Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Very interesting video today. It's a requested video and the question was, is there an age limit to start riding electrical skateboards? Well, it's gonna be very simple. For today's test, I've got my dad with me again. Whoever remembers, about 2-3 years ago, he did already try my Beast electric skateboard. I will leave the video on the link in the description below. Take a look. He's back for more. He has not ridden electrical skateboards ever in his life, just once on my Beast, and he enjoyed it. So this time he said, look, I really want one, you got too many, give me one away. So today I'm going to give him to try some different boards. My single motor, really reliable I would say, very light but very not powerful board. Also, twin hub motor board that I'm using every day for commuting. And finally, something just a little bit faster and tastier, the gear drive Tsunami, which is, well, a little bit faster, let's say. The reason for all these boards to be out with me is for my dad to understand the difference between single motor, dual motor hub, and also something a bit more powerful on AT wheels. It is quite important for people who never ridden before to try those out, to at least watch a video like this to understand the difference. So, a beauty of a weak board, like the single motor board, is that if you by mistake press the trigger forward, she will not throw you off the board. Or if you start braking, it will not brake too hard and throw you off the board. Obviously, negative parts is that it won't take as steep of a hill and it cannot accelerate as fast. On a dual hub motor, for instance, you have a bit more power, obviously, and a bit stronger brakes, which is good. Obviously, the Tsunami, she's quite fast and she will probably throw him off the board if he's not careful with the remote, but I will tune it down on the Metro Pro app, which is quite nice. But let's see if he will like any of them and which one he would like to take home with him. But for starters, there's something wrong with this picture right there. Well, much better. So rule number one for anyone who wants to try electrical skateboarding, novice or professional, always use as much PPE as possible. Knees, shoulders, elbows, the back, definitely the helmet. So, hello my dear dad.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. So what's your name?
Victor Garmash.
Well done. How old are you?
68.
68.
68.
68. He's got hip replacement, but the rest of him is quite healthy. So we're gonna give it a go. Trying to teach the balance and how the feet should be on the deck for him not to fall. Нет. Потому что потом ты не сможешь ее так вывернуть. Сразу ногу поставь немножко под углом.
Вот так?
Чуть-чуть, вот так. Молодец, молодец. Так. Все, сошел.
Нет, скажу, похоже, что вот этот момент у меня в ногах и в теле пошел так, ну, нормально.
Молодец.
Становлюсь.
Па.
Да.
Не гони сильно, пап, ты уже 20 едешь. There we go, X-Way. 68-year-old dad on your board, riding for the first time.
One, two, three, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Осторожно, тормоза такие, ну.
Рано отпустил немножко.
Ну как? Я у тебя справа проеду.
С этого. Сколько мне надо проехать?
Не, лучше не надо, я смотрю, что тебе неудобно.
Она это, нога не держится. у меня
No good?
вообще. А почему?
No good?
No good. А почему?
And tsunami? How is this deck? How is this board? Good?
Good. Very good.
And X-Way, the other one?
Very good.
Good.